Let's show those fools, my brothers, sisters. Shut up for fraternity, big love for sorority. I salute seniority, that's our credibility. This is my ability, that's your disability. I'm the prince of poetry, that's why my name is Crazy G.
Yeah. Shout outs from Brother Roji, Brother Jamal, Brother Nick, and rest of the guys, homies. What's up?
What's up, where we at? Calling out the homies. I'm a CC Alphatron, this forever will be. Grab your own beer, all together spit cheers. We're the best among the rest, just started last year. No one ever can stop us, neither of this group fuck. We ain't going down, just stay and keep it locked. Computer capability, future in machinery. Access to the AKP, that's our history.
Yeah. Crazy G, Alphatron chapter 1973.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao ay ating matatanaw na mula sa kapatiran na nagbibigay ng ilaw. At ang Alpha Kaparo bilang basbas sa aking kamay. At ang mensaherong ako na nanggaling sa Albay. Susunod akong propeta at magigiring misaya. Diyan ako nahasa sa pagiging kong makata. At isa ako sa mga lason na namatag ng Alpatron. Tatak na yan sa aming isipan, yan ang habang panahon. Ni walang sinasanto, ni walang kinakatakutan. Ama si Alpatron, maluwarte ng mga kinabukasan. Mamagain yung aking grupo pare, wag kang ang tanga. 13 klaseng apol, himasin aking lampara. Lahat walang mabubuga pag kami ang bumarang. Taob lahat ng mga kalaban na nalpakaan nilang panga. Ama si Alpatron, hindi kami mawawala. Itaga mo sa bato, pumunta na ng ibang bansa. Alpatron ako, Alpatron ikaw. Alpatron tayong lahat, saan man matanaw. Alpha Kaparo, itong aming kapatiran. Dekada na kami, kung duda ka kami subukan. Alpatron ako, Alpatron ikaw. Alpatron tayong lahat, saan man matanaw. Alpha Kaparo, itong aming kapatiran. Dekada na kami, kung duda ka kami subukan. Way back to 2009, I started my first step for living such a camp. I'm difficult in front line, never gonna give up. So will you shut the fuck up? No one gonna stop us, you're running out of good luck. From the north to the south, from the east to the west, I'm the prophet of the family. Alphatron is the best. We're the best among the chapter, and we have the finest brothers joining to the pageant. We have the most gorgeous sisters, helping the community. Slow stand necessity, burn my right wrist, mark of the fraternity. You look on sorority, fuck all those rivalry. Chilling with the smoke, that is our reality. Welcome to our own hood, this is our fraternity. Meeting with my homies, who is super shorty. Teach me how to doggy, we swagging the AKP. Let's go! Alpatron ako, Alpatron ikaw. Alpatron tayong lahat, saan man matanaw. Alpha Kaparo, itong aming kapatiran. Dekada na kami, kung duda ka kami subukan. Alpatron ako, Alpatron ikaw. Alpatron tayong lahat, saan man matanaw. Alpha Kaparo, itong aming kapatiran. Dekada na kami, kung duda ka kami subukan.